What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode 4 of how to design t-shirts in Adobe Illustrator. This is Abir Islam from Munez Studio T. Today I have come up with another amazing tutorial for you. This design looks little difficult to do, but when you will see me to do step by step, it will become easier for you. So without any further ado, let's start the work. Let's create a new document first. I'm using A4 size and CMYK color with 300 dpi for this design. Let's select the rectangle tool to cover our artboard with a black vertical square shape. Now I will select the type tool and I'll write the word stay. Let's make the font color white and font size to 37 pt and make the tracking 710. I will use the Montserrat black font for this writing. Make the paragraph center aligned. Now select the rectangle tool and create a small rectangle shape, then place it under the word stay. Now change the color of the text to black so that it can be read easily on top of the white background. Now I will outline the text to align it with the white box perfectly. Now select the tab tool again and write the next word, which is strong. I'm using the same font, but the tracking will be 0 for this one and the font size will be 147 point. Now let's create another copy and I will make the writing separated now. The left side will be the letters SRN and the right side will have TOG. First write SRN, then drag it on the right side holding the Alt key on your keyboard to create a copy of this. Then write the TOG. Now I will adjust them to make it center aligned perfectly with the other words. Now I will write the last word, which is never give up. Same font with different size. The font size will be now 20 pt and make the font color white. Now select the word strong and outline the font. Press Ctrl Shift O to make it outline. Then ungroup it. Now select the rectangle tool and create a horizontal rectangular shape of 4.5 inches into 2 inches. Now align it between the letters. Then select the direct selection tool. Then select the 2 anchor points of the right part. Now drag them on top side a little. Then select the 2 anchor points of the left side. Drag them on the bottom until it looks like this. Then select the letter O and R. Then change the fill color to stroke and make the stroke size 0.3. Now select the letters and this shape. Now select the shape builder tool. Then click on the edges to remove these parts to join the both letters with this shape. Now I will change the color of the letters. And finally our design is ready. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, please. See you soon with another tutorial of how to design t-shirts in Adobe Illustrator. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.